So your air conditioner's not working and the repairman's taken some time? Here are a few tips to help you with that. So your air conditioner's not working and you're being told it's going to be a couple of days, or the repairman came and he said, I have to order the part, and it might be 3 or 4 days, even up to a week to get the part in. And you're thinking, what am I gonna do? Well, here are a few things that you can do to make life more bearable here in South Texas when you're waiting for the air conditioner to be repaired. First of all, if you don't have a fan, get a fan. You can get box fans or standing oscillating fans at Walmart for very inexpensive, or your provider may have those for you. Sometimes apartment complexes can also provide window units to at least keep your bedroom cool so you can sleep at night. The second thing to do that you can use with your fan is buy a block of ice and set the ice right under the fan so that it blows air across the ice, creating a makeshift swamp cooler. You'll be surprised how effective that can be in your apartment if you need to be in the apartment when it's so hot. Third thing, find another location to hang out when you're waiting for the air conditioner to be repaired, when you're not in your apartment sleeping. Most people are going to be working during the day, so maybe it's not going to affect you. But there's always the pool. Every apartment complex that we work at has a pool. They also have clubhouses. Go to the movies, go out to dinner, or go to a friend's house. Find another place to stay when it's so hot so that you can stay cool. I wish I could tell you that we could magically make everything appear. Even though the temperatures can get dangerously hot here in Texas, there's only so much that can be done, especially when supply chain issues are in play. Use these tips so that while you're waiting for the air conditioning person to get back to repairing your unit, you can stay comfortable in the Texas heat. If you found this content helpful, go ahead, like the video, and click the bell so you're notified when we come out with great content just like this for you. Ciao!